okay. Is that level?
Yeah, just got through leveling it.
Alright, go ahead and turn her on.
It is.
Ready?
Yeah. How's that welding?
Well, pretty good. I'm a little hot. Turn her down to the next setting. What's the next setting? 120?
It will be. It looks like it's in the middle of 135 and 150.
What are you looking at?
The welder.
Just set the welder down. I believe that's just the loveliest thing I have ever seen.
Get an inside shot.
What? What's wrong with that? Well, this is inside. I can just see me right now putting up the light and painting.
First thing you need in here is a thermometer.
Oh yeah, you bring that thermometer in here. It's 200 degrees in here.
You'd walk out, you was reading the thermometer in here.
Well, we're definitely safe from the rain.
Mm-hmm. As long as it don't rain.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring the thermometer in there because you want it easy to grab.
You got plenty of room. Lord, Lord.
I was trying to record this, take a picture of it, but the reason I couldn't see the line is because it's maxed out up here. It's coming down a little bit more now.
Yeah, I'll see right now. I'm going to have to get Harry to come over here and do this thing.
Well, duh. Well, we finally got the screen door installed.
Ready to move in?
Almost ready to move in.
Pay no attention to this big hole over here.
None of that. None of that's important at all.
Harry, your guest room is almost complete. Oh, we're ready now. I'm ready to move Harry right in here. Look at there. We've been taping up some of the bug holes. Got that pretty light hanging up there. Hey, why is this all blurry?
Because you're shining at the light.
Alrighty. We'll just jam up here, what I'm talking about.
You got the arrow on the door over there.
We get this camera in. That is all foggy up there. Put the
light's blinding it, I believe.